If your business is drowning in spreadsheets or too much data, this is a project that I am almost completed with. It took about 7 weeks so far, and it's a custom operating system for this client. What it can do right now is it has full authenticity for all of their employees to come in here, be able to access it. It's fully locked down and secure, and then it has a full chat system in there. It has a synced API with their Go High Level, with their Google Ads account that is spending over $1 million. And then it has a Slack alternative. It has Zernio, which allows for programmatic automated social media access through APIs, as well as for all ad platforms as well. On top of that, it has a full per client workspace with continuous pacing, with two budget doctrine, approval interval versus live on platform. It's never blended, a spreadsheet style budget grid fed per client records, budget locks, live and paused account status on the dashboard with health monitors. You can see that all right here. Has an operational layer for approvals and for comprehensive audit logs. Has autonomous monitoring loops, budget drift reconciler. Basically, it has a bunch of math and algorithms that a lot of the spreadsheets that this business was operating from, maybe your business is, multiple spreadsheets were then consolidated into this operating system so that we can have actual real source of truth. So all of this data in here is 100% real source of truth. And then we got a bunch of other stuff that we're still working on that we're going to be building out, which will give the actual agency the power to go fully automated to where if they want to actually have all these accounts be almost fully automated to where they really only need one senior level ads person to come in here and be able to make sure it's all doing the right thing. That is what the foundations that we just built in the last 7 weeks are. So if you're interested in not drowning in data anymore, getting out of spreadsheets, getting out of all of the platforms, tying it all in together for one source of truth, go to customgrowthos.com and I will create a free customized demo of exactly this operating system for you that will be based off of your real business. If you want to give me spreadsheets, I'll take those. If you want to just tell me what the data is in the spreadsheets, what your business does, then we'll figure it out from there. And then we'll build you an actual custom operating system so where you can see how it works, what the potentials are. And then we'll get on a call and go through it. And then you can talk about how it works with us installing and how it works with you getting access to it and being able to use it and then being able to edit it and do anything you want to with it as well. We have nothing held back. So we build everything using AI, multiple different systems, but nothing is held to us. You own all of this. This is all your own proprietary IP. So you can go and take this and sell it to clients, whatever you want to do. But go over to customgrowthos.com, sign up for a free demo. I'll see you over there.